Today, we're checking out Mail Backup X, a powerful tool that makes backing up and managing your emails effortless. And right now, it's available as a lifetime deal you don't want to miss. Hey, welcome to the channel. If you love discovering software deals that save you money and make life easier, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how Mail Backup X works and whether it's worth grabbing. So what exactly is Mail Backup X? It's an all-in-one email backup, archiving, and migration tool trusted by over 42,000 users worldwide. Here's what it can do. First, it supports almost every major mail client: Apple Mail, Outlook, Office 365, Thunderbird, and more. It also works with Gmail, Outlook, Com, Yahoo, GMX, and basically any service using IMAP. You can search and view your archived emails directly inside the app, so you're not just storing emails, you can actually access them whenever you need. It compresses your backups, saving up to 3 times more space than a standard backup. You can import old archives like PST, OST, MBOX, or EML files. For extra safety, you can mirror your backups to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or even a USB drive. Restoring is simple. Send your emails right back into your account or a new one if you're migrating. And for privacy, everything is encrypted with AES 256-bit encryption using your private key, so only you can access your data. Users love how smooth it is. Reviews mention the setup is easy, the search feature is super handy, and it even helps free up Gmail or Outlook storage by letting you archive old emails safely. Plus, it runs quietly in the background, so you can keep working while your backups happen automatically. Normally, Mail Backup X costs $179, but right now you can get the individual edition lifetime subscription for just $49.99 on Stack Social. And if you're a new user, you can apply the coupon code SAVE20 to knock off another 20%. That's a one-time payment for lifetime access on 2 devices with updates included. I'll leave a link below so you can check out the Mail Backup X lifetime deal for yourself. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more software reviews and lifetime deals every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.